So James, you all have set up a community radio station in Madurai.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about it?
This is part of an organization by name People's Association for Rural Development. In short part, we have organized a community radio station in Tirumangalam block in the name of PAD Vanoli, PAD Community Radio.
Okay.
This is officially inaugurated by the district collector by September last year. We started a 1 hour program.
I see.
The program is extended in 2 or 3 occasions, and now we are 3.5 hours a day. It is 1:30 to 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
And what's the focus on? What kind of programs?
Mainly our program is based on agriculture, education, health, citizens' rights and human rights.
Very interesting. What's the response to it like?
And our major part of our program is folk songs. We have identified singers in the local community and made them to sing. We have collected nearly folk songs for 5.5 hours now. So it is received by the community very much. The response we receive shows that it is more interesting to hear folk songs than cinema songs.
Then cinema songs?
Yeah, cinema songs.
I see.
Because before we starting our community radio station, while we were approaching the community to tell that we are going to broadcast only folk songs, the community, the people we met felt that it would be a failure.
Yeah.
But now they realize that the folk songs are very interesting and it is very observable.
I see. So you all broadcast in Tamil or in the dialect or both? Or?
We are mainly broadcasting in Tamil.
Okay. And was there any difficulties in getting the license?
It was a very long process.
But once you fulfilled everything, you got it?
Yeah, it took nearly 27 months.
27 months?
Yeah.
And questions and...
Yeah, so many.
Sorry?
Cut.
Yeah.